AHAL Robotics presents Classic S Remote Module Overview. The Classic S Remote Module includes 8 JST 2-pin arcade style button connectors, 1 5-pin JST arcade joystick connector, 4 2-pin JST joystick connectors, 1 4-pin JST serial data and power connector. There are 3 LED indicators. The green LED indicates Classic S Remote Module programming. The red LED indicates Classic S Remote Run mode, and the Classic S Remote Module blue LED indicates test mode operation. There are 2 Classic S Remote Module push buttons. The program button is pressed to program the Classic S Remote Module button states. The test mode button is pressed to run the Classic S Remote Module serial output test values. This concludes the Classic S Remote Module overview. Thank you for watching.